Good afternoon, traders. Happy Friday. How are you? How's your day? How's your previous day on your trading? I'm hoping that your trading is very good and some making profits on the market. How's everyone? Yeah, okay. So our topic for today is live forex trading. Focus on my favorite, which is gold, euro, and include the Bitcoin. Okay, some of you trading BTC. So yeah, so I included the BTC because right now the BTC continuing going up. So yeah, uh, uh, exciting assets. All right. Okay. So just wait a few traders. So we will start in at least 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So we will start right now. Okay. So how's your trading for the past few days? So by the way, today is a very, very exciting day for all traders and investors because today there is a high impact news, which is the non-farm payroll, which is every first Friday of the month. So as you can see, last yesterday, which is I try to go to a daily time frame. So for the past few days, so there's consolidated or sideways movement for a daily for the past few days, at least 3 days. So yeah, for the daily movement, yes, this is a very thin movement, but on there's a high on this month, which is around 2006. Then after above 2000s level, then we'll back right away below 2000. So expect more movement later on because of the non-farm payroll. So yeah, but I'm expecting to the market will be uh, bullish because of the tension of the Israel and Hamas. So right now there's a more included and country included, which is the Hezbollah. So expect that then the war still continues. So expecting the price go up again above 2000 tonight. So it depends again on the figures we'll release on later on the non-farm. Now let's take a look on the technical analysis. So yep, so I'm going to the more higher time frame, which is weekly. So for this week, we'll check for this week movement. All right. Okay. As you can see, the price of a gold in weekly time frame still observing or making moving or waiting for the great news or event, maybe tonight or maybe this coming week. So for me, there's this big candles bullish 1 2 3, which is here. Okay, one. Okay. Okay. So the if you can see, the market will done on the weekly basis, which is three bullish candlestick going up. Then the recent candlestick is a bearish movement. So there is a chance that in weekly, which is the probably which is the price went down. It depends on the figures on the non-farm payroll tonight. Okay, so for me, this time, okay, so which is observing or waiting for the later on the fundamental data released tonight. Okay, this is the in weekly. All right, so which is for me, if in the absence of a fundamental event or even the non-farm payroll, so I go on the bearish position or sell at this point. Okay, in the absence of the data, but there is a non-farm payroll later on. So for me, just wait and see if the market continues to go down or will make above again on 2000 levels. All right. Okay, so take a look on the day on the another time frame, which is daily. All right. Okay, on the daily movement. Okay, for the past few days, yes, 3 days, which is sideways here. So let us predict or make movement. So maybe around here on the daily movement. So expect the price either either go up or down. So here either way. Okay, so by the way, there is support here on the daily. So on the resistance, which around here, so right now, if you observe today, if you observe today, which is not much movement for the whole day, because just we are waiting for the non-farm payroll event tonight. Okay. Okay. Bill, long time no see. Yeah. Yeah, it's because of the holiday, because of the All Saints Day. Yeah. How are you? Yeah. Yeah, but if if although there's holiday here also since days, I will continuing trading, continue making money in the forex market, because forex market is a never sleep. Expect on the weekends. All right, so yeah. Okay, so tonight may probably will go down or go up. So, but for me, in the absence of fundamental event, so I'll go on the bearish movement. Okay, I'll go on the bearish movement because for the past few weeks, I think already the factor in the movement of the gold because of the tension of the war between the Israel and Hamas. But no clear, no clear peace talk for both sides. So expect more volatile movement of the market. So no clear peace talk. So continuing opportunities on the gold. So expect more volatile market later on before the close of the market tonight. All right. So actually, I have putting a pending position right now at here, pending a buying position at buy limit around here 1925. Pending a buy limit here, then expecting once the dip here. So I'm looking forward the price go up. Okay, if the price if the price still on the same price at 1987 right now, so I will chase the market if this bad or good for the USD. So I will chase for the market either buy or sell. Yeah, Bill. the price of gold is too stable now. It's difficult to have big fluctuation each show period of time. Yeah, it's possible, Bill, but expect tonight there's a non-farm payroll, so expect volatile market later on, right? So yeah, because of for the past few weeks, there's so many event tension of the war. So that's why if you can see the whole uh, can candlestick, which is very volatile, so it's here. So going up, still consisting going up. So there's a minimal of going down, but expecting the price will go down for the next few weeks. Yeah. So, but there's a possibility there's a new high if there's you know the 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 war of the Israel, and there's a lot of countries you know um, join on the war. So expect the gold market will be shoot up. All right, so expect for that. So for the meantime, so I'm looking forward the price will go down for the meantime. Okay, so I expect here will be go down. All right, so this is a daily market analysis. Okay, this is my daily. All right, so yeah, for the past 3 days sideways. So waiting for today event, and I'm looking for today market volatility because of the non-farm. All right, so let's go on the lower time frame, which is 4 hours. All right, so see in 4 hours sideways also for today. Yeah, yeah, sideways. Okay, so waiting for the breakout, waiting for the break, either go up or go down. Okay, so if if you want to play right now, just play around here on the resistance and the support here in this line, and just play here. But before before the data release, so please please take profit on your account before the data release, because we don't know what are the figures released tonight. So yeah, maybe favor on our position, maybe not, but for the safety reasons, so you need to liquidate right away. Okay. Okay, for the meantime, it's too early, so you can play around here. So you can pull a trigger because the price right now is near around the resistance. Okay, you can pull a trigger here. So maybe you can put a sell, and then if you see that your account is profit at least $100 to $500, please liquidate and don't leave on your account until the non-farm payroll release tonight. Okay, for the safety reasons. So yeah, so just play around here. Okay, so yeah, so there you go. Actually, this is very right now it's a very safe for those who want to trade on the support and resistance. Okay, all right, so let's go on the lower time frame, which is 3 hours. Okay, same situations, which is more on the sideways on the 3 hours. All right, so same situation on the 4 hours time frame. So we will play on this one. Okay, so let that take a look on the 2 hours time frame. Okay, same for the past 2 hours, consolidating sideways, waiting for the breakout, either go up or go down. So we make a ghost feed. here. Okay. So there's a possible breakout either back to 2010 or either 2020. So yeah. Okay, so my immediate target, which is 2018, if the non-farm payroll is bad for the USD, so I will expect the price will move to 2018 or 2020. So expect that. If the non-farm payroll is bad for the gold, so expect the price went down around here 1950 or around 1973 levels. Okay, so that's my analysis, that's my opinion. Yeah. Okay, so for me, waiting for the breakout of the support and resistance, then we will make a clear pathway, either bullish or bearish on these situations. All right. Okay, so let's see on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right. So that 1 hour time frame is still sideways, but I'm looking at again, which is going down. So for me, expecting going down. Yeah. For me, going down for the gold for the meantime. So if there's absent of fundamentals, expect the price will go down. Yeah. So I go and sell. Okay, then you can put a stop loss here. Then your take profit here. So I'm making short position. So if I'm going to position right now, so around here, yep. So this is my take profit. This is my stop loss. That is my parameters. That's my risk management technique. So compare on the stop loss, the risk very minimal, and my take profits is a huge. All right. So if I go into trade right now, this is my positions. So I'm going to sell. Okay. So in the absence of fundamental event, so I'm going to sell right now. Okay, because the war between the Israel is already factored in. So actually yesterday, which is the release of the interest rate, is still the same, which is 5.50 Fed interest rate. So if you can observe, there's not much movement yesterday because because all of the traders and investors are waiting for the non-farm payroll. So this is the first Friday of the month. So very exciting day for us to make a profit on the forex trading. Yeah. Before we end up this week, so we make up a dollars, we make profits. So yeah, it's a very happy weekend for us. So just be careful, just trade your plan, okay? So be responsible. So your account without risk management, okay? Don't forget your stop loss and take profit. All right, so let's go on the lower time frame. Okay, so even the lower time frame is sideways for the whole day. So this is a 30 minutes. So you can see the movement, which is sideways. Okay, for the today is a sideways. So waiting for a US market. Okay, So very exciting. So I believe some of you is doing a trading plan. So either buy or sell. So some of you already are pending orders, um, either on the buy or sell. Yeah. So some of you is waiting for volatile movement. Yeah. Actually, mine too. I'm waiting for the volatile movement later on the US market. So I said earlier, I have a pending buy limit around here 1973 or 1970. So I expect the price will go up. So if the price go down, so I expect the price went down if the price touch around 2000 level here. So because this one is a whole number, so psychology effect, which is the one of the resistance, okay, which is 2000. So yeah, so okay. Yeah, any questions about gold traders? Anyone? So any sentiment or market sentiments so we can discuss. So if you have a trading plan, just let me know. So I will review if there's it's a high probability of profits, a percentage on your positions. So do you have a positions right now or pending orders? So waiting for the high impact news later on. Okay. Right. So by the way, so if you have any questions about gold, uh, just drop your comments. Then I will get back to you. All right. So then we'll go to the Euro USD. Okay. Okay. Euro USD. Okay, we'll go on the higher time frame, which is weekly or all right. So based on the technical analysis, which is monthly basis, so the if you can see the price or the observe the candlestick, which is uh, scallop, which is all the way down, so might be back here on that level. So if you remember the last time I'm doing live forex trading, the recent candlestick is still here, this one. So I told you before, which is the recent candlestick, which should be this one. Okay, yeah, this candlestick. So I told you, which is the Euro USD is more on the bearish side. Okay, so going down, so making down here. So probably for the next few months, so probably around here on this level. Okay, so for me, bear on the Euro USD on the monthly basis. So more on the bearish movements. If I go on the uh, long position, which is go and put on selling positions right now. So after the non-farm payroll data release later on. So yeah, okay. So we'll go to the weekly time frame. Okay, I go here. All right. So for the weekly time frame, okay, for yeah. Okay, this week and last week is a sideways movement for the past three weeks. Yeah. So waiting for a breakout for the 3 weeks time frame. Okay. So yeah, it's going to pair for me for the weekly. So still a bearish movement on a weekly basis. So I'm looking forward drop on the level of 0.99 or 98 levels for the next few weeks. Yep. Okay. On the daily, so one of my favorite time frame because I'm doing intraday always intraday trading or day trading day trading markets. So yep. So consolidating sideways, very comfortable to do in and out on the market. Very safe on the daily market. So always remember this is a resistance. Always take a look on the resistance, play on resistance. Once the price near on the resistance, okay, you go on sell. Okay, go on sell once the price on the resistance. Okay, so near on the resistance level, so I go on sell on this situation right now on this level. So again, be careful because tonight is there's a high impact use which is NFP. Okay, if the price went down again here, we can put a buy on these positions. Okay, this one is okay. All right, so very clear on the movement on the daily on the Euro USD. So play around on this order block on this level. So your trading is low risk and the probability of percentage to take profit are high. All right. Okay, so take a look on the partners. Allow me to remove my drawings. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame, okay, again, so this is my 4 resistance and this is my pivot point. All right, so if you can see there, I put a three horizontal line. Okay, so we'll make a trade on this line on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so I'll go on buy once the price dip here on the pivot point in the absence of the non on the fundamental events. So I'll go on buy here. Okay, okay, buy. All right, then I go on sell around here. Okay, if this pivot point broken or clear penetrate, so I'll go on around if the price went here around here, so it's already the pivot points already broke, so I'll go on the sell around here. Yeah, because already the pivot point is already broken. Okay, and the target and the target is here, the support. Okay, this is my target. This is my target. So if the price consolidate on the support here, so if you think 3 hours sideways here, so you can put a buying position on this level. All right. Okay, so don't immediate put a buying positions if you can see the in the line, because again tonight there's a non-farm payroll, so I observed at least 1 hour, maximum of 3 hours. If the price consolidate or sideways on this level, then I will put a buying positions. All right, for the safety reasons. Okay, so this is my trading plan for the 4 hour on the Euro USD. Okay, so very clear pathway movement for the Euro USD, and I'm looking forward all of us making profit tonight. Okay, okay, so take a look on the lower time frame, which is 3 hours. Okay, so same situation, same trend line on the 3 hours time frame, still the same. So nothing much move, nothing much changes. So waiting for the breakout tonight for the Euro USD. Okay, so right now still consolidating or sideways on the price of Euro USD on 3 hours. So take a look on the 2 hour time frame. Okay, so still on the bear movement on the 2 hour time frame. So for me, most favorable on the 2 hour time frame. But kindly, okay, I remove the drawings. If you can see the trend line, so there is a double top. Okay, so double top candlestick. So there you go for the 2 hour time frame. Okay, double top time frame. Then I'm looking forward the price go down. Okay, so if I follow the technical indicators, so there's a signals for a bear movement, which is I saw the double top movement, which is a clear pathway to go down. Okay, in the absence of the high impact news. Okay, so in the absence of high impact news, I'll go on sell. So I go on sell on this level right now. So, yeah. Okay. So anyone of you have a position on Euro USD? Do you have a position on a Euro USD or waiting for the event later on the US market? Okay. So I think for the safety reasons, so some of you are waiting for the non-farm payroll. Some of you have a position right now. So on sell, why? I know you have a trading plan. That I know all of you have a risk management to protect your account. Okay, for me, for the next hour and then for the next few days, this coming days, I'm looking forward the price, the Euro USD will be dropped. Okay, so it depends again on the non-farm payroll figures. So let's see. And actually, I'm excited later on because of the non-farm payroll. Because this a huge expect the markets a huge movement later on. So and I never wrong if I never wrong on the non-farm payroll. There's a huge movement, so I put a position every time there is a non-farm payroll. So by the way, don't forget your parameters, don't forget your stop loss and take profit. Okay, because sometimes your position is doing good, doing profit right now. For example, you have a profit of $500, then trying to liquidate at the profit of 500. You cannot liquidate at exactly $500 because the market is very volatile. Most of the time, most of the time the market which is recode. So who had the experience of that? Traders. Who? So every time if the market is volatile, you very crazy. So always recode. So because of the high impact news. All right. So that's why don't forget to put a take profit and stop loss. All right. Okay. On the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So I can see same situations, double tap on the 1 hour time frame, still moving, go down. So signal for bearish movement on technical analysis. So yeah, very 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 good movement of this trend of the markets. Just follow the trend. And okay, so on the 30 minutes also. Yep, there you go. So same situations. So double tap, going down. Okay. So by the way, um, who are to take advantage of this movement for the past few days? So by the way, I have position here. Then I liquidate my buying positions around here for the past last week here. Okay, so the clear path to going up. Okay, so okay, so yeah, it's for the last week trading. Because there's 30 minutes time frame, so very easy to predict. Yeah, so there you go. So I got is here at $800. From here I put a one standard lot, then I liquidate around this price. It's 1.060 level, so I earn as much as $1,000 in one day. So by the way, this is a 30 minutes time frame, traders. Okay, you know how much we earn every time this kind of volatility. All right, so right now grab this opportunity. By the way, grab this opportunity in the absence of fundamental event, so because of the double top, so you can go on a bear movement. Okay, by the way, don't forget your stop loss. Okay, so if the market really, if the high impact news released later on, so if the dollar is good for that, so expect the price will go up, then back again here on this resistance. So by the way, this is immediate retracement. So once, for me, once the price went up around on the resistance, so expect immediately will go back again. So maybe in a few hours, maybe in a one day. Yeah. So I'll go here. So for me, my probability of trading on the Euro USD more on the bear movement. All right, more on the bear movement. Okay, so any questions on the Euro USD traders? Any questions? Okay, so now let's go on the Bitcoin. I believe some of you trading a Bitcoin. So because I have a trade for the past few days and last week on the Bitcoins, I want to share with you guys what happened on my trading for the past few days on the Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So Bitcoin. So I'll take a look at the first, the higher time frame, which is the daily, right? Um, for I want to share you guys my position for the past few weeks, which is gold. Most of the time, actually, gold, euro, US CAD, okay, Bitcoin, and some of stocks and USD JPY. So if I saw opportunities on the asset, then I do analysis every time. Actually, my routine every time I'm doing trading every morning, I review every assets and forex trading. So I review on that. Then if I can see the, you know, the clear or the clear pathway on the trend of the market, so I follow my trading plan. If there's if my analysis is, it's like I'm not comfortable, so I will not push my position. So just waiting for the right timing, right entry of the market. So, but for the past few days, most of the time I enter for those all of the major currencies. One major currencies, the forex, which is gold, euro, US CAD, USD JPY, and Bitcoin. Yeah. Okay. So last week I put a buying position here. Actually, um, here I put a buying position around here on the Bitcoin. Here, sorry. I go on the 1 hour. All right. Okay, October. Yeah. I put a buying position here around here last week. Okay. So, what makes a trigger for me why I'm doing a buy on this level? Because I saw the pattern. I saw the pattern of the bullish market, which is one, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So I expect the price going up. Okay. So now I'm lucky. I'm lucky to grab this opportunity. This one, the candlestick last week in Bitcoin. Okay. In expand of 1 hour movement in the Bitcoin. So yeah, I earned as much, almost at least I believe roughly around 700 around 700 plus dollars around here. So I put a take profit around there. Yeah. So almost 1 hour, I earned as much as $700 here on this Bitcoin. So very easy money, very easy trading. So if you familiar with the pattern, you can grab those opportunities. Okay. So right now, actually, I have position on the BTC or the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not much effect on the high impact news on the US market. So for me, I have position right now here. Actually, just recently position, I go on sell right now on this level. Okay, okay. Yeah. So I have position here. So I'm currently floating profit around 100, the exactly amount which is around $190 right now. It's doing good for the meantime. Yeah. So actually, for right now, I want to liquidate right now. Then maybe I liquidate maybe or after 30 minutes. So I observe this kind of behavior of the next candlesticks. If I saw the candlestick green and going up, so yeah, I try to liquidate, then repositions again. Repositions again. So what's next on the pattern, on the trend of the BTC and the Bitcoin right now? Okay, so for me, I'm doing good right now. I have floating 190, almost $200 right now on the BTC. So my volume, my lot is one standard lot. Okay, for those because I have a big account, so that's why I am confident to pull a trigger in one lot. Okay, for those who have micro and mini lots, so just stay focused on the small volume to avoid to avoid adverse on your account. Right? Okay, so that's why I shared to you that my when I included the BTC USD on my live trading, because I have a position right now on the on the other assets. Actually, on the other asset, USD JPY, USD CAD. I am now on the observing on those assets. So I have position right now gold and Euro USD. So but I prepare later on the market of the US because there's a high impact news later on. So okay, so this one is gold. Actually, my position right now in the gold is a sell. So just ranging, just ranging. I put up stop loss and take profit. So if nearing the releasing of the non-farm payroll, then I saw my profit is floating. So maybe I want to liquidate first, then reposition again. Then I check on the fundamental data. So I will chase the market in favor of the news. Okay. By the way, be responsible because for me it's a very risky trading plan if you have a small account. Okay, because I have a huge account, so there's a chance uh, the my account is small risk because I have a I have a big elbow room, big space to make strategize, to make cut and reverse my positions. So even I am wrong, so I will cut I will write cut again, then reverse my positions to recover my losses. Then after that, so recover my losses, then I making a profits. So not a perfect trader. So sometimes I've lost, but most of the time my position is profitable. Okay, so even Warren Buffett, even the great traders have a million trillion losses on the forex. So, but the good thing, the losses still recovering, and the and also making profit on the market. So don't be afraid if you have a trading plan, traders. If you have a trading plan, don't be afraid because once you do a trading plan, so most of the time on your positions is high probability on your target. Okay, so yeah, any questions? Any question, traders? If you have any questions. So again, my position on gold right now is a sell because it's sideways. But later on, make a changes, either buy or sell because of the non-farm payroll. Okay, for the meantime, I'll go on sell. So on the Euro USD, okay. So of course, Euro USD, I would sell or short on the Euro USD for the meantime. Then maybe I go with float. Maybe it depends on the high impact news. So maybe I go on. Maybe I leave it if the non-farm payroll is favorable on my positions. So I will maximize my profits. Okay. Yeah. So right. Okay. Any questions, traders? Anyone? Okay. So I know some of you, 18, know some of you are waiting for the non-farm payroll event. So keep an eye on your positions, and this coming few weeks there's a high volatility movement, especially in the US market, because there's a nearing coming holiday season, because today this month is in November. This almost end of the year. So most of consumers are spending on their money because of the holiday season. So it means the dollar is threatening against the other currencies. Okay, but don't forget, traders, um, the the tension between the Israel and Hamas. So of course, so don't forget that event. So hopefully, um, um, the tension will subside, and uh, making a peace talk. So yeah, even there is without a war, so we will make a money on the forex market. You know that. So without any casualties. So but if there's this kind of very phenomenal event, this war, so one of our thinking, our mind is grab those opportunities, grab this kind of movement, because this is a very rare event, rare event. So but again, if this kind of events. So take a look and grab this opportunity. We will make money on the market. Then don't be greedy. If you see your account is a huge floating profit, you can liquidate first and repositions again on your account. Okay, so be responsible on your trades, and okay, and I'm looking forward. Some of you withdraw a huge amount of money on the forex. All right. Okay. Anyone? Anyone? So yeah. So again, take a look on the quick recap on the BTC. So what happened? Okay. So yeah, not much movement on the BTC. So again, okay, there's a slightly spike on the BTC. So yeah, slightly spike. So I leave with my position on sell on the BTC. So yeah, so I liquidate later on after 30 minutes or 1 hour. So I'm looking forward to more lower price on the BTC, which is around 34 here. 34,100 level of the BTC. Okay. So, yep, any questions? And do you have questions or suggestions or any reactions or any sentiments? on your trading or on my analysis. So if not, so it's a wrap up. And guys, again, thank you very much to join with me on my live forex trading today. So yeah, I'll see you next week, and I'm hoping um, there's a good news for us. Make a profit at least more than $1,000 at the end of the today. So yeah, so I'm hoping all of you is good trading and a happy trading day because it's Friday. So we focus right now on the trading. So tomorrow's no market, the market is closed. So relax, spend the time with our families, and on on Sunday. So making a review what happening on Friday trading, and do a trading plan and start again on the business on Monday. All right. By the way, thank you for uh, thank you for your joining with me on the live forex trading. Thank you everyone, and happy Friday, and have a good trading to all of us. May the pips be with us. Thank you. Bye for now.